Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel SRK Pune Academy, whose tagline is Made Simple. In our world-class manufacturing system, today we will study topic number 7, that is Total Productive Maintenance, Part 2. In world-class manufacturing system, till now we have completed 6 topics, whose video links are given in the description below. In the upcoming videos, we will complete all the remaining topics, so please stay with the channel. Subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end so that you will become an expert in world-class manufacturing system. In this presentation, we will study topic number 7, that is Total Productive Maintenance. As the topic TPM is more descriptive and bigger, we will learn it in 2 parts. This is part 2 presentation. After completing of this presentation, we will able to understand implementation of TPM and measuring effectiveness of TPM. First, we will start with implementation of TPM. An excellent way to get a deeper understanding of TPM is to walk through an implementation example. This presentation provides a step-by-step roadmap for a simple and practical TPM implementation. Now we will see steps for the TPM implementation program. There are 4 stages and 12 steps for the implementation of TPM. Stage 1 is Introduction Preparatory Stage, contains step 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stage 2 is Start of Introduction, contains step 6. Stage 3 is Introduction Execution Stage, contains step 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and Stage 4 is Establishment Stage, contains last step 12. We will understand the details of each stage and steps under it. We will start from Stage 1 is Introduction Preparatory Stage. Establishing a preparatory system for the implementation of TPM means creating before the kick-off conditions in which all members sufficiently understand what TPM is, its goals, and how to implement TPM. The introduction phase consists of 5 steps. From timeline perspective, this stage should consume 6 to 8 months time frame. It involves 5 steps. Step 1. Declaration of the resolution of TPM implementation in the organization by top management. A formal announcement of TPM implementation plan and top management's commitment is declared. The same information is multiple times repeated in board meetings, internal communication meetings, through internal communication mediums like internal newsletters and bulletins so that all the employees are equally communicated. Step 2. TPM education and campaign. Publicity campaigns are initiated and TPM orientation sessions are held. Training for senior management, middle management, and junior management employees on TPM course is initiated. Staffs of same level are scheduled together. For general employees, slideshow meetings and other communication meeting forums are used. Horizontal and drop banners, standing signboards, posters and catchphrases are all used in the TPM introduction campaign. Now, step 3. Establishment of TPM organization. Setting up of steering committee, formation of TPM pillar-wise subcommittees are done. A central TPM office or TPM promotion secretariat may also be formed to have a channel of central communication and coordination. Organizational model may be formally restructured to have management-led pilot models established. This is the one of the example of TPM organization and its relation with other areas and peoples in the organization from top management to bottom line operators. It shows total involvement of peoples in TPM. Now, step 4. Setting of TPM policies, principles and targets. TPM program objectives and policies are clearly defined maybe with respect to industry benchmarks, past performance, prediction of effects, or industry competition. Business objectives are built in line to the TPM policies, principles and targets. Survey of all the breakdowns, accidents, quality defects, losses and leakages are done in this phase and a baseline is established to critically define the improvement indices. Step 5. Formulation of TPM implementation program master plan. A complete step-wise master plan is formulated from introduction preparation stage to undergoing the TPM Excellence Certification examination. The timeline of the master plan may vary based upon the type of organization, complexity of processes, and adaptability of employees. With respect to the master plan, annual target plans, quarterly activity plans, and monthly schedules may be derived. The image shows a complete stepwise sample master plan for the TPM implementation program. Now we will see stage 2, that is, start of introduction, only after sufficient preparation in the preparatory stage should the introduction or kickoff of TPM be implemented. A period of 3 to 6 months required depending upon the size of business to complete this stage. This stage includes the sixth step, that is kickoff of TPM. This step may take 1 to 6 months' time to get concluded based on the span of customers, suppliers, cooperative companies, and other involved agencies. Step 6. Kickoff of the TPM implementation program. This step involves inviting the customers, suppliers, associated companies, cooperative companies, relevant interested parties, and involved agencies and officially inform them about the organization's resolution for TPM implementation program. Now stage 3, that is execution stage. This stage includes 5 steps. Based upon the span of organization, the robustness of the processes, status of improvement indices, and involvement of employees of all levels, the timeline may differ from 2 to 5 years. This stage involves 5 steps. Step 7. Establishment of system for maximizing the production efficiency. This step aspires to have ultimate production efficiency and effectiveness while using 4 pillars of TPM are KK, JH, PM, and E&T. 7.1 Kobetsu Kaizen. Deploy shop floor teams and special project teams to pursue project team activities and workshop-based small group activities. 7.2 Jishuhosen. Introducing and nourishing the concept of self-initiated checks, diagnosis, conduction of audits, and closure of the open points by the operator running the machine. 7.3 Planned maintenance. This step is about achieving zero breakdown conditions while practicing corrective, periodic, and preventive maintenance. 7.4 Education and training. This step is about training and developing the concerned team leaders to build a thorough knowledge on machine equipment and processes. Continuous education and training will raise the technical expertise and know-how of the team leaders, and the same team leaders will be involved in percolating passing on the same to the team members. Now, step 8. Establishment of early equipment management, development management. In this step, the key concept is establishing initial phase management system for the new products, and vertical startup along with machine health checkup during purchasing is monitored for new equipment. The objective is to develop easy to manufacture product and to have easy to maintain equipment. Target is to achieve a zero maintenance machine. Step 9. Establishment of quality maintenance system. Establish and sustain zero defect conditions is the objective of this step. It focuses on creation of conditions in which defects do not occur and the maintenance management of those conditions. Step 10. Office TPM for administration and support. This step focuses on creation of systems for improvement of efficiency of administrative indirect departments. Support the production department to increase own efficiency and develop more effective office equipment. Step 11. Establishment of safety, health, and environment. This step is focused on creation of systems to establish a controlled work environment from the perspective of safety, health, and environment. The objective is to create systems to establish a culture of zero accidents and zero pollution cases. Now, stage 4, that is establishment stage of TPM. This is the final stage of TPM implementation program where all the concepts of TPM is considered to have been institutionalized, and it is the stage of consolidation. This stage is only having single step, that is step 12, and may take maximum 6 months to conclude. Step 12. Complete implementation of TPM and targeting improvements. In this step, all the activities related to TPM implementation is considered to have been accomplished. Consolidation of all level is done and the organization is undergoing examinations for PM awards. At the end of the step higher, more stringent and tough targets are taken and futuristic roadmap is plotted. These 12 steps are very important to be managed effectively, and 100% employee engagement needs to be ensured by the organizational management team during the total implementation program. Now we will understand measuring effectiveness of TPM. A tool for measuring and evaluating the effectiveness of TPM can be found in Overall Equipment Effectiveness, OE. The mathematical formula is as follows. OE is equal to availability rate into performance rate into quality rate. It was developed to support TPM initiatives by accurately tracking progress towards achieving perfect production. An OE score of 100% is perfect production. An OE score of 85% is world-class for discrete manufacturers. An OE score of 60% is fairly typical for discrete manufacturers. An OE score of 40% is not uncommon for manufacturers without TPM or lean programs. It is extremely important to measure OE in order to expose and quantify productivity losses and in order to measure and track improvements resulting from TPM initiatives. Thank you for watching and understanding presentation. To get such important presentations, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Do comment and let us know how you like this video. Our next video will be on benchmarking. Thank you very much.